In this video, I'll show you how to give access on Google Drive. Giving someone access in Google Drive is simple once you know where the sharing settings are. Google's official help says you can share both files and folders from Drive, and you can choose whether the other person can only view, comment, or edit. First, open Google Drive on your computer and find the file or folder you want to share. Right-click it and choose Share. In the sharing window, type the email address of the person you want to give access to. Google says you can also share with a Google group instead of adding people one by one, which is useful if you want to give access to a team. Now choose the permission level. You'll usually see Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. A viewer can open the file, a commenter can leave comments on supported files, and an editor can make changes. Google's help also notes that download, share, and permission controls can vary depending on the role and the item owner's settings. After that, decide whether you want Google Drive to send a notification email. If the box is checked, the person will get an email letting them know you shared the file or folder. If you don't want to send that email right away, you can uncheck it and share the item quietly. Then click Send or Share to finish. Google documents both of these options in the sharing window. If you don't want to share with specific people, you can also use a link. In the same sharing area, look for General Access. From there, you can keep the item restricted, which means only approved people can open it, or in some cases change it to anyone with the link. Google says the exact options can vary, especially for work or school accounts or items in shared drives, where admins may restrict public or external sharing. If you're using the Google Drive app on Android, the steps are similar. Open the app, choose the file or folder, tap Share or Manage Access, add the email address, choose the role, and send it. Google's Android help also says you can change general access there for supported items. One more important thing to remember is that sharing sometimes depends on account type. Google says if the other person doesn't have a Google account, you may need to share with a Google-compatible account or have them create one first, depending on your setup and sharing method. So the steps are simple. Open Google Drive, right-click the file or folder, choose Share, add the person's email, pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, and click Send. That's how to give access on Google Drive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.